Welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here, and today we're going to be doing linking sheets for job success. So in front right now I have a worksheet that says year end, and what we're going to do is we're going to take, and I'm going to left click my mouse in quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4, and we're going to be linking all 4 sheets to this year end sheet. So the way to do that is I'm going to left click my mouse where I want the totals to be for all 4 sheets, and I'm going to type my equal sign. I'm going to come back down to my quarter 1 sheet and left click my mouse on it. I'm going to come over to the first sales entry, which is $2,000, and you can see up in the formula bar now it says equals quarter 1 B3. And I'm going to left click my mouse up here, and I'm going to hit the plus sign on my keyboard. I'm going to come down to quarter 2. I'm going to left click my mouse in B3 again, and up on the formula bar you can see it says quarter 2 now, B3. I'm going to hit the plus sign on my keyboard. I'm going to come down to quarter 3. I'm going to left click my mouse in cell B3, and it shows quarter 3 B3, and make sure that my mouse is up in the formula bar. Plus again. I'm going to come over back down to quarter 4, the worksheet down below. I'm going to left click my mouse in cell B3, and you can see now it says equals quarter 1 B3, quarter 2 B3, 3 B3, quarter 4 B3. And when I press enter on my keyboard, there's the answer. So if you look, quarter 1 is 2,000, quarter 2 is 2,000, so that's 4,000, quarter 3 is 1,000, so that's 5,000, quarter 4 is another 2,000, so now that's $7,000. But now the cool thing is when I've completed this, if I put my mouse and I come up to the bottom right-hand corner of cell B3 and I do my autofill. Now the autofill is not your select, it is the bottom right hand corner, and if I hold my left mouse button and drag it down, you can see it fills in all of the values in the sales for all of my employees. If I put my fill handle again and I drag it to the right, it fills in the expenses. If I do my fill handle again and drag it over to the profit, you can see that it links all of the sheets together, and there's your answer right there. So you have your expenses, your profits for all 4 quarters linked into one sheet. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to do another lesson, please leave it in a comment. Have a great day, and thanks again for your time.